Hello guys, welcome to VARUN TECHIE, a place for better learning. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. In the last session, we have learned about identifiers and comments in Python. In today's session, let us learn more further about Python programming, variables in Python, constants in Python, and literals in Python. Python variables. Generally, we need something to store data, right? In the same way, variables are used to store and manipulate data in Python. They are like containers that hold values, and you can assign different types of data to variables. Here are some examples with brief explanation. First one, integer variable. Like if we assign integers to any variable, we use in this way. In the example, the variable age is assigned to value 25. String variable. String variable means to assign names like John example. Here the variable name is assigned to the string value John. Floating point variables mean point values. Here we assign price variable to the floating point number. Boolean variable. Here either it is true or false. We assigned is student in the example. List variable mean a list of some same type of fruits or vegetables or any other types. Here the variable fruits is used to assign data. Tuple variable. Tuple means used to store collection of data written with round brackets. Next, dictionary variable. It is a collection of key values used to store data values like map. All other data types hold key value only a single value as element. Here, it holds different values in the same one. None variable. Here, the variable result is assigned the special value none, means absence of value. In Python, you don't need to understand or you don't need to explain the data type of a variable. It automatically assigns the value to the data type. Now let's go to constants. In Python, constants are typically represented by variable names written in uppercase letters. In the last session, we have seen one example with constants. So, and their values are not supposed to be changed during the program's execution. Mean it has fixed values. While Python does not have a built-in constant type, the convention is used to uppercase letters and underscores for constant names to indicate that the value should not be modified. So here are some examples. Numeric constant. Here we use mathematical expression pi. Mean it has a fixed value, right? 3.14159. This cannot be changed. Generally, if we use any mathematical expression, the value is directly given and cannot be changed. So we use capital letters here. Next, string constant. Hello world means it's a greeting. It cannot be changed. So it is a constant representing a greeting message. Boolean constant. Enabled. Here either true or false if we given. It can be only given to the constant enabled. List constant. Here days of a week or days of a month or any other. It cannot be changed. So in this way, while Python tuples are immutable and can serve as constant, lists are mutable. Constants in Python are more convention than a strict rule, as Python does not have a built-in constant type. So these are the node values. Next, let's go to Python literals. In Python, literals are representation of values in the source code. A literal in Python is a syntax that is used to completely express a fixed value of a specific data type. They are constants with fixed values. Here are brief explanation with examples. Numeric literals mean integer or float. Integer mean um, we give the numbers directly. Here we give point values also. Numeric literals represent integer and floating point variables respectively. String literals. Here Here is the example of string literals. It represents the sequence of characters and can be enclosed in single or double quotes. Boolean literals. True, false. It can be represented the values of true and false. Non-literal. The non-literal represents the absence of a value or a null-like state. List. List literal represents the ordered sequence and are defined using square brackets. Tuple. Tuples Tuples are represented in this way. Dictionary. Set. Complex number. Complex number literals represent complex numbers and are written with a real and imaginary part. So, these are the examples of literals in Python. Thank you.